What's up, guys? This is Fred with 1320.
I wanna go fast, Ricky Bobby.
Today, we got this 8-second drag Evo. This thing's about to tear it up on the streets out here in Mexico. What do you think, bro?
Bro, it'll fucking 18,000 horsepower, full interior, AC, kiddie seat, no problem, bro.
What's it going up against, bro? That? We got the Miata.
Hold on, I'm gonna bring around.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring around the one that's gonna go.
Oh, okay.
Nah, but for real, we got a pretty cool project going on right now. This is our buddy's drag Evo, and he has tasked us with doing a number of interesting little things. So we're gonna be shaving the engine bay. He's already got all the holes here marked up that need welded up. And then we're gonna be repainting it, probably just this, you know, factory gray, silver color. But he just wants it nice and tidy. Nothing too fancy, but a little fancy, And then dry carbon fiber doors to install, dry carbon side skirts, the front lip, the wiper cowl. Jeez, what else? This guy's just got a pile of carbon fiber. He's swimming in it. Let's see. Oh, carbon fiber drag wing. Look, I got it right here. Customer requests. I gotta cut up the rear bumper. Trimming the frame rail. Oh shit, dog.
Here we're gonna do some freeway pulls. All right, let's get loaded up, dog. Load the chute.
First things first, let's get the front end torn off this thing so we can start welding up this bay. So we got the whole front end blown off this thing. Reid's getting started on the removal of some of these brackets and tabs and stuff that need to get deleted. I'm gonna go around and start removing the paint around some of these spots that need to get welded up. And Angel's gonna trim up for the fuel cell to fit over here. 95, 50% humidity, a little tick over 50%. I'm dying. Sucks in here right now, but look at that. Got this thing all masked up and ready for primer. So all the little spots where we're welded, we're all ground flat, a little bit of putty to smooth them out. The big spots on the firewall are all shaved up. Everything looking icy smooth. So we're just gonna hit this with 2 coats of some DTM urethane. We're gonna be using the U-Pole System 20 for that. I really like this stuff. It sands easy, lays out nice. I didn't used to like the U-Pole, like the original primer. It was just kind of meh, but this stuff's really nice. I like the new stuff. Anywho, we're gonna get this primed tomorrow, sand it, day after, shoot it, hopefully. So hopefully at the end of this video, you guys will get to see some color on this thing. And then be on a lookout for the next video. We're gonna be doing all the sweet carbon fiber stuff, and yeah, it should be interesting. Reid and Angel went ahead and guide coated the entire engine bay, every last nook and cranny, and wet sanded the whole thing down in 600 grit. And then I went through with some 2-part seam sealer, and I got all the, panel joints and everything with a nice, thin, smoothed out coat of seam sealer on there. I think it looks a lot better than the factory seam sealer that's got like that, it's all raised up and it looks like kind of haphazardly thrown on there. And I think it definitely cleaned up the look of the bay a lot. So what we got to do today is drop the cross member out of it, get this thing up on stands, and then I'm going to go over and mix the color up so we can get this thing shot today. Oh, it's drastic. It's like bad. I had 2 chips pulled. The driver's side of the car is this color. And the passenger side in the engine bay is this color. So I'm just gonna use this one on the engine bay.